Hey guys, Dewy.McDonald here, Guaranty RV. Got a brand new Lance 995 long box camper. Let's go take a peek. Going in to the door, you got remote, you got touchpad for key lock, nice big grab handle. Right here, you got a little storage compartment as you walk in. And open up, you get the right, there we go. There you go, a little storage drawer, put stuff in, kind of long, fishing poles or whatnot. Kind of cool. Got your big grab handle here. On the sides you got, when you're standing outside, you actually got remote controls for your battery box, disconnect, all your lights and stuff right there, so you can turn the lights on. This is your slide out right here. Nice big bench seats, you know, so this turns into a bed. You got your LED lights. These are dimmer switch. You got your Norcold refrigerator freezer right there. Good size. There's your fan stat right there. Air conditioning above us, LED speakers. You got your big one-piece sink right there, corner. A lot of counter space. Solid wood drawers. These got the soft close on them. Underneath storage there. Little trash compartment there. So built-in steps, which is cool. Got a nice big opening to get into the bed. Here's your generator start right there, all your control panel here for your water heaters and pumps and all that. More storage above us here. And your stainless steel appliances, you got your microwave, fan hood, 3-burner, gas top, oven. More storage here. Light controls on the side. This is for cans and, you know, a little more space for that. More drawers. And then you got a little skylight above us here with a cover. You got a fantastic fan. Then you got your shower, bathroom here, your little wet bath. So right there, skylight above, nice and tall. But this is nice. So you got a nice big opening for your bed. You got storage on both sides. You got a closet on that side. Cross ventilation of windows. You got a skylight above you for lighting. Here's your DVD player, built in your TV. It's on a swivel bracket so you can watch it from bed or over here on your bench seat. So, and then underneath the bench you got more storage here. Lots of storage. So it's got a wireless camera for the backup wireless camera, which is cool if you're towing a boat or something, or a horse trailer. More storage there, lots of storage. It's got your day and night shades, tinted glass. Like I said, this slide out comes in, but it's awesome. And then you got for your awning right here, your fantastic fan there. Little spot to hang your keys right there. Electric remote control jacks. Got a nice big ladder going up on top. Electric awning with there's your camera, wireless backup camera, LED lights above us. Storage in the back. This has got a little right here, little bracket for a flip down, little step. But nice quality. You can see the bolts in here. Got a nice solid container. And an outside shower here. Wash off your boots. Storage under there. Here's your water heater right there. Power cord right there. You got nice big tanks for your propane. Double tanks right there. So you've got the frameless windows there. Your power cord here in the front. Like I said, remote control. You got a solid fiberglass cap on here. Like I said, it's a long box. So your slide outs on this side, you know, we was inside, it's got a cover, patio cover on top. Here's your batteries right there. Access into your water heater, or your refrigerator actually. So in the back here, you got your generator that's under here. So like I said, in the side you got remote controlled start. So if you're looking for a camper, you know, you're pulling a boat or horse trailer or whatnot, we sell toy haulers, fifth wheels, you name it, come see me, Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.